afternoon and welcome to Koikimedia Roadshow here in Lagos, Nigeria, the 19th of January 2021. And I can see the very bustling computer village right opposite me. But that is not the reason why I've been asking questions today. The reason why I want to ask you questions is think we go for another election in 2023, or is it time now that this country goes separate with Yorubas, the Biafra, the Middle Belt, or can we still keep one Nigeria?
My perspective is this: if you're not giving us anybody like not 20 years and you as president, everybody should still power.
Make I hear that one very well.
So what you giving me? How old is the France president?
It's about 40 plus now, somewhere around that area.
I'm not very sure about that. But what I know for sure is a young guy.
Oh, he's very young.
As a matter of fact, there was a conference I know he had that Buhari and the rest of them, like African leaders,
when he was,
when he just, I think it's
Emmanuel Macron.
Yeah. That guy is a very young guy. And I can see
even Trudeau in Canada.
Yeah, he's doing very well. And so if you're giving us somebody, this man here, I believe his brains, his cells, I believe at that age he is right now, he's already becoming dead. I don't see him as a vibrant president. You understand? Trump would be actually of that age group, but because of the exposure they have around that compared to this side, you can't compare. So my conclusion is, if you're not giving me as a person, if you're not giving us 30 years old and below, then there's no democracy. Because if you're practicing something, if you're preaching something, you're not practicing it, then why are you doing it? So I believe what my conclusion is, you're not giving us 30 years. So maybe let everybody go there. Everybody go there. Everybody go on your side. If you have on your side.
And then every tell those where they abroad, where they say, make we stay with these people, the elders that know better than you.
What I'm saying is, if you don't hear, you don't go to where the state is. Now, we say for Nigeria here, now we understand how everything is going. We understand how we are being short of not to talk. We understand how we are being manipulated. The situations like, bro, I don't know how long you actually spent around there, but at the point in time when there was no any SARS, we could not me as a young guy, being a bachelor, being on my age, around that 16 to like 25, 30, and the rest of them like that. You cannot walk freely in the street of Lagos. In the city of Ogun State and the rest of them like that, all these neighboring states, Lagos, Ibadan and the rest of them, they are not free. I wouldn't reason us. There was something one the last child said one time. He said Nigeria now open prison. You don't go put us or somewhere. You don't put us chain or don't true. But at the same time, you know say you put chain. Now say Nigeria invisible.
Wow. Thank you very much for your time today. Thank you very much, Frankie. Well, you've had him there, and we will continue, to engage more Nigerians. Oh yeah, come, let's speak to you as well. You want to rap? Hey, come on, rap now. Yeah, it's a very busy time here. And as you can see, just behind me is the computer village, right here in Lagos, Nigeria. The 21st of January 2020. Thank you very much. It's Koikimedia.